After all, the movie generated much controversy owing to its lead actor Aarti Devi bearing a striking resemblance to then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. It was not just the audience who noticed it, the government did too, and 20 weeks after its release, Andhi was suddenly banned. Why? Aarti Devi, portrayed by the renowned actress Suchitra Sen, became instantly legendary when Andhi brought storm to theatres on February 13, 1975, causing some controversy among audiences and critics. The film, directed by Gulzar, was the attention for its frank depiction of complicated issues such as relationships, politics, and identity that struck a chord with many viewers at the time. Her impressive look included a crisp white sari denoting elegance and power, and short grey hair that lent maturity and depth to her personality. How Aarti moved confidently and gracefully resembled Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, prompting audiences to compare the two strong women. This similarity not only enthralled audiences but also generated discourse over the way Indian women were shown in leadership positions in cinema, bringing forth the social conventions and expectations of that time. In turn, Andhi remains an important movie, presenting a snapshot of India's 1970s society while also opening up dialogue about women's rights and their roles. Gulzar, the film's director, repeatedly denied that it was based on Mrs. Gandhi's life, but later he admitted he had taken inspiration from her leadership style. The problem? Aarti Devi was shown smoking and drinking, a big no-no for a public figure like the Prime Minister. Soon the film found itself in the eye of a political storm. The emergency ban, politics, or coincidence? Just a few months after Andhi's release, India went into a state of emergency on June 25, 1975. At the same time, the government decided to outlaw the movie because of concern that it would harm Indira Gandhi's reputation. Gulzar received the unexpected news that Andhi was being banished from theatres while he was attending a film festival in Moscow. Posters were taken down, prints were recalled, and just like that, the film disappeared. Some believe the ban was purely political, but film historians argue otherwise. Either way, Andhi became the movie they didn't want you to see. The grand comeback. Then came 1977, the emergency ended. Indira Gandhi lost the election and the new government lifted the ban. Andhi was re-released, and guess what? It became an ever bigger hit. Audiences appreciated the depth of emotion, powerful performances, and magical music of R.D. Burman. Gulzar acknowledged that Indira Gandhi served as the inspiration for the movie, while Sanjeev Kumar disclosed that Feroz Gandhi served as the model for her portrayal. 50 years since a cult classic, after 5 decades, Andhi remains an irreplaceable film. Records that the cinema and the politics has been intertwined, and some of the stories are too late to be silent.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.